Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, today is 10th August and a big match is coming up in women tennis in Cincinnati Open 2024, round of 64 between Camila Osorio and Jelena Ostapenko. Yes, viewers, this is only match preview, tennis predictions for upcoming game. If you find this video informative, do like, subscribe. Yes, viewers, both the players have met only once and the only match has been won by Osorio and that was in round of 64 Olympics France 2024 clay. So this was the only head-to-head encounter, but this cannot be the only predicting factor. Ostapenko is far more experienced than Osorio with 388 wins, 242 losses in singles, and 9 single titles to her credit, while Osorio has 213 wins and 133 losses in singles with 3 single titles. So Ostapenko, along with more experience in singles, more wins to her credit, better winning average in singles, and far better conversion rate of wins into titles as she has got 9 titles against 3 of Osorio. In doubles also, Ostapenko is a better player, more experienced with 268 wins, 169 losses and 11 double titles, while Osorio hasn't got any double title with 34 wins and 49 losses in doubles. Carry highest rank of Osorio 33, while her current WTA rank is 56. Highest rank of Ostapenko 5, her current WTA rank is 30. So again, highest and current WTA rank is also favoring Ostapenko to win the upcoming game. In doubles, again, Ostapenko has a double rank of 3, while there of Osorio 216. This is again favoring Ostapenko. Both are young, 23, Osorio 28 years of age. Ostapenko, Osorio born in Colombia, while Ostapenko in Latvia, 5'7", Osorio 5'10" in height. Ostapenko both plays right-handed. Yes, viewers, year-to-date record is also matter of concern. This year is again favoring Ostapenko with 17 wins, 15 losses in singles with 1 single title, while Osorio is behind her with 15 wins, 14 losses with 1 single title. So this year is again favoring Ostapenko in single matches with better winning average, more wins to her credit, more matches she has played, although won equal titles to both the players. In doubles also, this year is favoring Ostapenko, 32 wins, 13 losses, 2 double titles, while Osorio has only 2 wins, 3 losses without any double title. So viewers, apart from the only head-to-head encounter where Osorio has upper edge over Ostapenko, all other factors from winning average in both the forms of the game, number of wins, the average, the experience in both the forms of the game, the title conversion in both the forms of the game, carry highest rank, current WTA rank, and year-to-date record is all favoring Ostapenko to win the upcoming game. And that is also my prediction. So Ostapenko will most likely be the winner. Do like, subscribe. Thanks.